Is a Facebook post from a Palestinian named Hamed Ashar. He originally met this German Shepherd that you see here a year ago. He said the dog came to his house with a group of people who were fleeing bombs. He didn't belong to them, to those other people, so he stayed with Hamed for a few days. He wrote that they shared fear and canned meat. Hamad made another post about that dog this week. He said, "A year ago, I shared my story with this very friendly dog. What a lucky dog." The story was featured in Arab and international magazines, read by over 5 million people around the world, and translated into 7 different languages. At the time, an animal welfare organization from Dublin, the capital of Ireland, reached out to me. They wanted to check on the dog's well-being and asked for photos of the tent we were living in and guarding together. I sent the photos and received an outpouring of sympathy, immense and incredibly rare. They seriously explored the possibility of evacuating the dog from Gaza through partner organizations. They wanted a better life, a cleaner place, and a wider sky for the dog. But no one mentioned me. Me, the one who was living in a tent, not even fit for a dog.
Mm.
So he shared that
How
as
can
like
you
a
do
year,
that?
a year.
How can people take a dog out of Gaza and not humans?
They weren't able to. This is a dog that became his companion and then, made headlines, and that's what people's priorities were.